Airdrop. Like the apple? Our airborne delivery service is ready to help you against ogres. Okay. Protect the peasants, as we always do. Arm peasants and protect the village. There's one little problem. You need somebody who can fly to get swords. Use your flying pet, for example, the raven. Yay, we get to use the actual pet now to fetch swords and fight against ogres. Awesome. So, while true, we're gonna find the nearest item. We're gonna have the pet fetch the item. First of all, if there is an item, then we'll have the pet fetch the item. Let's do that. And then we're gonna do spawn on spawn while true. Guard. What is who guarding? Guard the left passage. What do you mean guard the left passage? Are we shielding it? Are we moving? What are we doing? Do we have that action? We're gonna find out because I don't know. Let's run it real quick. Yeah, it's incomplete because oh, I guess I gotta attack them. Why didn't they just say that? Okay. Oh, 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 snap. let's so let's find the enemy, and then if there's an enemy, let's attack them, cause I was like, guard, what do you mean guard? Are we shielding it? All right, let's figure this out. So we have the pet fetching items for us, and then down here we're gonna fight the guards, I think. Yeah. Oh, and then you're fetching me swords. I like it. Yeah, give me that potion so I can live. You're going kind of slow. Nice. I think we figured it out. Yes, we did.
Victory.